Ananamamo, Muramamo. Hey. When the night feels heavy on your soul and the road is hard to see, when your heart is searching for a sign of what you're meant to be, every question, every fear, every tear we try to hide, there's a truth that's always near, a quiet light inside. Here te pahono, te maramarama, here no te fenua, e ora te tata, aita te matau, aita te riri, na te here te au I fa ora I te ora. In the silence between your prayers, in the breath you learn to trust, there's a fire that never fades, rising from the dust. No religion, no disguise, just a voice that softly says, what you give will multiply, what you choose is what remains. Here te pahono, te maramarama, here no te fenua, e ora te tata, aita te matau, aita te riri, na te here te au I fa ora I te ora. Love is the answer, stronger than fear. Love is the reason we're all still here. When hope feels distant, unclear, love is the answer, loud and clear. Here te pahono, I roto I te au, here mauroa, e ti ai te au. Haita e poiri, haita e fifi, here te taura e tamu I te tata. So if you're lost, just remember, no matter the question, no matter the pain, love is always the answer.